Oh my goodness, I just landed in Connecticut and look how cold it is. I feel like I am in a storybook. My superhero power is getting lost a lot. It's a little past 11 o'clock at night and I have a flight at 6 o'clock in the morning. And you wanna see what my suitcase looks like? Empty. I haven't even started packing. And my flight leaves in just a few hours. I don't even think I'll be sleeping tonight, but I'm super excited because I'm going to Connecticut and I'll update you tomorrow morning once I get to the airport and settled about why I'm going to Connecticut. Ooh, super, super excited for this, if you can't tell. Oh my goodness, I just landed in Connecticut and look how cold it is. Like, I can see my breath. Utah hasn't been this cold for a very long time. It is so crazy freaking cold out here. I just walked into my room and look what I found. Seriously, I have the best husband ever. To Alison, with love. You got this. Enjoy the strawberries. Good luck, love. Jared, seriously? Man, that man is so good to me. I love him. That didn't take long. All gone. Good morning. Okay, so here's the deal. This is why I'm sitting in a hotel room in Connecticut. So today, in about 5 minutes, I'm gonna head over to a gal's house named Julie Stoian. And she is like queen of copywriting. She has a way of articulating herself that I've honestly never seen. This is her superhero power. So I left her a Voxer a couple weeks ago and I said, Julie, what do I need to do for you to help me write my talk for Funnel Hacking Live? Anyway, you guys, she invited me out to be with her and I am so excited to be able to go sit with her and just learn from her. And a lot of you know that I am scared to death of public speaking, and so she's gonna help me with one of the big chunks, is being able to get my message out in front of 3,500 people the best way that I possibly can. My superhero power is getting lost a lot. Like, I plan an extra few hours because I know I'll get lost. And if I plan that I'll get lost, then I'm not frustrated. Just one of my superhero powers. Let me know if you have that superhero power too. Like, you'd think I'd be able to get there with Suri's help, but it just doesn't happen. So we'll see. She's about 10 minutes away, so I'm planning 30 minutes to get there. Connecticut. I feel like I am in a storybook. Look at these houses and churches and even their business buildings. They're like magical. All right, I'm here with Julie.
Hi guys!
We just got done eating, what do I call it?
Pacifico. It's like where Cuba meets New England.
Oh my gosh, it was so good. Julie's gonna talk a little bit about what we did today, if you're good at that.
Yeah, sure. So Alison called me and she's like, I'm gonna be on stage in 2 months.
And 3,500 people staring at me.
She's like, I need to work on my presentation. And I was like, all right, well, when do you want to get on Zoom? And then she was like,
I'm flying to Connecticut.
I was like, yes. So
no, I totally invited myself out.
So it was super fun. So she flew in, and then today we just like, I don't know, it took us like 4 or 5 hours, and we just like tried to like extract Alison's story with all the things that she's learned. And we realized that telling your own story is like the hardest thing in the world.
It is. But yeah, to have someone just to be able to bounce your ideas off of and say, wait, does this line up with the storyline? And just someone being raw and honest saying yeah or no made a huge difference.
Yeah, I mean, so I started by like asking you like, how do you want people to feel after they hear your presentation? So we kind of like started with that, like, because that's really at the meat, at the root of a presentation. You want to know like how you're going to make people feel. And then the second layer was like, what do you want them to actually learn? And that's kind of how we built it. We like weaved story into the things that she wanted to learn.
I feel so much better about this presentation coming up. It's so much better.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome if you guys
go to Funnel Hacking.
Go to Funnel Hacking Live. It's gonna be really fun. we're gonna be there.
hi, it's me. And I just got through the airport security, and you guys, so mean. They made me take off my beanie. I totally have hat hair. I brought a hat for the last day, so I didn't have to do my hair on the flight home, and I had to take it off. Okay, that's my issue for today. But while I was at Julie's house, and some of you guys know Julie, it's not my VA Julie, it's a different Julie Stoian is her last name, and she's an expert copywriter. I keep thinking how grateful I am that I was able to reach out to her and she was able to help fill the superhero talent that I don't have yet or will ever have. So some of you guys know over the last 8 years, I have been sitting behind my computer working and perfecting my craft of selling e-commerce stuff online. And then when Russell Brunson asked me to speak in front of 3,500 people, you guys, my mouth said yes, but my brain said, heck no, Allison, heck no, you can't do this. You can't even like speak in church half the time because I'm shaking so incredibly bad. But I knew I had to do it because, as you guys, this whole thing isn't about me. It's nothing to do with me. It's about everybody else and the stuff that I've learned over the last 8 years. It's my turn to start sharing it with other people. The Lord, I believe in a God, so whoever you believe in, but I believe in a God has blessed me with these talents I need to be able to share with other people. So when my brain was telling me, heck no, Allison, don't do this, don't do this, and my mouth said yes, I knew that I had to say yes, but my brain was playing a trick on me. And why? It's because I need to help more people. Sometimes we are going to feel absolutely inadequate in what we are asked to do. Whether it's finding another way to bring income into our families to help us pay off bills, debt, or even just to go on family vacations. We're gonna be like, oh my heck, how in the heck am I going to be able to do that? Like, there's no possible way. People are getting off the elevator. I'm trying to sit in a corner over here with nobody so I can talk to you guys. Anyways, back on track. We feel absolutely inadequate to do it, right? For me to get on a stage and talk to 3,500 people, so what? No, I wasn't born to be a public speaker. Like, that just scares the crud out of me. But that's where the Lord steps in, right? Or your higher power, or whatever you believe in, and it's really kind of magical. I feel like He will put people in your place to help you succeed and get you through that scary time. So some of you that have found me, like, I can help guide you in e-commerce. I know that world, I'm confident in that world. But in me speaking on a stage in front of a whole bunch of people, that scares the crud out of me. So the Lord put Julie in my way to help me to be able to share something that I need to, and be able to feel comfortable and confident in doing it. And I keep going back to the feeling of people staring at me. He was staring at me and then he walked away. And then also about the people that are around you that are there to support you and help you while you are scared. And everybody gets scared about something, right? Whether you're trying to figure out what product to sell, where to price it, how to write it up, where to sell it at. That's uncomfortable. But there's a community that can support you. There's, like, I love talking about this stuff, right? And then public speaking, there's a group that loves to public speak, and you surround yourself with those people that can help push you out of your comfort zone. And even though it's still gonna be absolutely uncomfortable for me to be on stage, I'm gonna do it with more confidence, knowing that someone who's walked in those shoes has helped me. So what I guess I'm saying in this is reach out to those people that have done what you want to do, where you want to go, where you feel like you need to be pushed. Reach out, ask for help, and then just do it. Even if it requires you to get on a plane and fly to Connecticut to help you to make it happen. You're supposed to do hard things. You're supposed to share your talents. You're supposed to do things that scare you to help you live a better life. Like, I know it. And You guys, I give a lot of free information away. YouTube and Facebook, those are my 2 right now. I'm not really doing a ton on Instagram because I don't want to get spread too thin. But anyways, that's it. And I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.